Math with Zulie. So today we are going to be dividing polynomials using synthetic division. This is the problem we are going to be solving today. 4x to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus x divided by 3x minus 3. Before we proceed in solving the problem using synthetic division, here are some things we need to identify: the dividend and the divisor. The dividend in synthetic division are the coefficients of the first polynomial. The divisor in synthetic division is the zero of the second polynomial. In synthetic division, we are given a table and we need to know where to place our dividend and our divisor. So this is where you place your dividend and this is where you place your divisor. The dividend of our given problem is 4x to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus x, while our divisor is 3x minus 3. Now that we have identified our dividend and divisor, we are now able to provide the needed numbers in order for us to start our synthetic division. The dividend of our synthetic division are the coefficients of the first polynomial, which are 4, -3, 2, 1, and 0. And our divisor is the zero of the second polynomial, which is 1. How did you get that? Let us look back at the given problem's dividend. The underlined numbers are the polynomial's coefficients. These are as follows: 4, -3, 2, 1, 0. The x has an imaginary 1, and we have added a 0 because the polynomial doesn't have a constant. But I sure do.
Yeah, boy.
Now that we have our given problem's dividend, let us look for our given problem's divisor. We have been given 3x minus 3. Now, we need to find its 0. 3x minus 3 equals 0. We transpose our -3 to the other side of the equal sign, which makes it +3. So now, it's 3x equals 3. The problem is still not in its standard form. In order for it to be x equals something, we need to divide both sides by 3. After dividing, we get an answer of x equals 1. This value will now be our divisor. Now that we have our needed numbers, let us fill up our table. We have now put our dividend and divisor in their designated spot on the table. The first thing to do in synthetic division is to bring down the first coefficient. Afterwards, you multiply it with the divisor and write it below the next coefficient. In this case, 4 times 1 equals 4. After, you add them and write the value below. -3 plus 4 is equal to 1. Then repeat the previous 2 steps until you reach the last term. Afterwards, you separate the last term, thus obtained, which is the remainder. Now, we group the coefficients with the variables to get the quotient. This is our quotient: 4x cubed plus x squared plus 3x plus 4 with a remainder of 4. Thank you for listening. See you in the next Math with Zulie.